Hello guys, in today's quick video we will talk about building chatbots with ChatGPT. So chatbots are computer programs that are designed to simulate conversations with human users, and they are becoming increasingly popular in a variety of industries. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI which can be used to generate responses for chatbots. So, understanding ChatGPT. Before we dive into building chatbots with ChatGPT, it's important to understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a natural language processing model that has been trained on vast amount of data, enabling it to generate high-quality responses to a wide range of user inputs. So, ChatGPT can be customized to suit perfect use cases such as customer service or education. The steps of building a chatbot. Now we can understand with ChatGPT, so let's have a look at few steps involved in building a chatbot. The first step to obtain is an API key from API OpenAI website. Next, you will define a function that take user input and input generate a response of using ChatGPT, and finally integrate a function into chatbot applications using a library flasks like Django or Streamlit. The benefits are for using ChatGPT building chatbots are to generate high quality responses to a wide range of user inputs, making it a easier business to provide instant responses to common inquiries. Chatbots built with ChatGPT can be customized to suit specific use cases such as customer services, education, and much more. ChatGPT can save time and money for businesses, automating customer services, freeing up human agents to handle more complex requests. So, the real-world use cases. Now we can understand the benefits of using ChatGPT for building chatbots. So let's see how the word cases look. Chatbots can be used in customer services to provide instant responses to common inquiries, freeing up human agents, handle more complex chatbots, and chatbots can be used to educate, to provide students in instant feedback and personalized learning experience. Chatbots can also be in healthcare, provide patients with quick responses in healthcare. So here are the few things that you will need. You of course need some programming knowledge, of course, that you mainly know if you came to this video, and you choose your platform, you set up your environment, you train your model, you define it intents and intentions, implement your chatbot and improve your chatbot. It's like piece of cake. So inclusion ChatGPT is a powerful tool for building chatbots that can be provided instant response for common inquiries. By following the steps outlined in this video, you easily build your own chatbot. And guys, thank you for this watching this informational video. If you are interested or don't know how to build your chatbot, we can make a tutorial about it. Just ask it, leave a comment. Please subscribe, leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye.